This meditation will make your specific person only be excited by thoughts of you. You will receive endless attention, affection, and praise from them without even asking. And they will rearrange their entire life for you. Listen whenever you're feeling like they are not giving you enough attention. It works instantly. And make sure to right click and click loop so you can listen to this overnight. Now let's begin. They are coming forward to me now. I am the one and only for them now. Our hearts are always together now. They choose to be with me forever now. They desperately want and need me in their life now. They are making me their number one person now. I am their world now. I am their purpose in life now. They want to have a lifetime with me now. I am the perfect match for them now. They ask me to be officially theirs now. They say that I am the best thing that has ever happened to them now. They choose to love me unconditionally now. They choose to spend the rest of their life with me now. There is something about me that keeps them attracted. I am getting married now. They choose to marry me now. They choose to propose to me now. They are happy proposing to me today. They are happy proposing to me now. They choose me as their life partner now. I am ready to say yes to their marriage offer now. They ask me in marriage now. They ask for my hand today. They are ready to marry me now. They are ready to be with me now. They tell me how much they want me to be in their life now. They cry tears of joy because they are getting engaged to me today. I am their spouse now. They buy me a wedding ring now. They are impatient to propose to me now. They set a date for our wedding now. They are excited to marry me now. They are constantly thinking about our future together now. They are bringing up marriage more and more every day now. They choose to be my future spouse now. I am always chosen. I am always a priority. They text and call me all the time. Every time I blink, they contact me. Every time I drink water, they contact me. Every time I eat, they contact me. No matter what they are doing or who they are with, they are contacting me. Every time I think of them, they contact me. They are in love with me. I get phone calls from them all the time. They shower me with love and affection. Whenever they are on their phone, they would rather be texting me. They would rather be texting me than doing anything else right now. They are always so sweet and caring towards me. They can't get enough of me. They can't get enough of my energy. My addictive energy is potent. I love how I always manifest texts from them. They are desperately looking at their phone for a reply from me. They feel like they won the lottery when I reply to them. They get a rush of happiness when they get a text from me. They love calling and texting me no matter what. They are never too busy to text me back instantly. They call and text every day, 24/7. They always know how to keep the conversation going. We frequently have deep conversations over the phone all night. They never get bored talking to me. They always reach out to me first. They are always excited to speak to me. They make all the effort contacting me. They show undeniable love to me. Every morning, they tell me good morning. Every night, they tell me good night. My voice is so addicting to them. They are obsessed with me. No matter what they are doing or who they are with, they are obsessively thinking about me. They seriously miss me. They instantly send me love letters and love notes. They prioritize me. They experience immense pleasure from being with me. They cannot live without me. They are in love with me. I am the one person they think about nonstop. Their mind loops me like a song they can't turn off. Their obsession with me gets stronger by the hour. They can't eat, sleep, or focus without me. They crave my attention like it's the only thing that keeps them alive. I receive overwhelming love, affection, and desire from them. They daydream about me constantly. They view me as their one true soulmate. No one compares to me. No one competes with me. I am the only one who makes them feel this insane level of love and infatuation. I am the standard of perfection in their eyes. No one else even exists to them. They chase me endlessly. They love me unconditionally. They worship me completely. Their desire for me is eternal. It only grows, deepens, and takes over everything. I feel so seen every day. I feel so adored every day. I feel so wanted every day. I feel so chosen every single day. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. To affirm, write in the comments, they choose me every single day. The more you listen to this, the more they will feel this insane level of love and infatuation for you. And if you need more help making someone come back to you, let me help you by manifesting them for you. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. My clients are getting their special person back extremely fast. Subscribe if you enjoyed these meditations and click this next one to continue on with your love journey. I will see you in the next meditation, and until then, have a wonderful day.